Day 2 in Jeju! Good morning from my see you card. Okay, so I'm gonna use this today because I will be taking buses to all the K-drama filming locations. Are you excited? So now let's walk from my hotel to the bus stop. Just like what I mentioned in my previous vlog, that my hotel is around 400 to 500 meters from the bus stop. So it's just an easy peasy walking distance, okay? So no worries about it. So let's explore. So this is usually the morning here in Jeju as per my experience. So as you can see, not that much people and everything is just like so fresh. And now the autumn is about to start, so it's not that much cold here yet. As you can see from my background, there are like shops behind me, so they are still closed. Actually, this street is so lively at night because many Koreans here spend their time, they drink, they do shopping, like Seongeup in the Philippines. So there are a lot here, but the place is so peaceful, right? On my left, this is Emart, a department store here. So I bought my charger here because I have difficulty with the charger here in Korea. I waited for my bus in front of Emart bus stop. So from there, we will go to our next destination. Just be reminded to always check Naver app for the updated bus schedules. And also, in the bus stand, there is a schedule to which you can always check and monitor the bus that are coming and going. So we're at the bus stop. So from here, we will be walking towards Mangjapo area, okay? Because it's a little bit far yet. As you can see, there are so many tangerines around. So Jeju is really filled with tangerines. It's one of their major products here. Oh my god, now I'm closer at the port. So that is the famous lighthouse that you can see at the Korean series Welcome to Seongeup. If you go towards the left, you can find all these rocks. Okay. So this is the spot from that series, okay? The couple are walking in this area. Now done with our first mission. So I just spent a couple of minutes there, around 30 minutes. And now I'm heading to the next destination. But I have to walk back to the nearest bus stop, okay? Everything's so easy, but enjoy the tangerines around. Now I boarded the bus going to my next destination, which is called the Seongeup Folk Village. I'm not sure how to pronounce, but it is a folk village. So there is no direct bus going to Seongeup Folk Village. So from this bus stop, I have to go back to Seongeup City, and then from Seongeup City, I will take the local bus to the folk village. So it will take around 1 hour or maybe more depending on the traffic. Remember, if you want to use buses, always allot plenty of time. Now I got off from this bus stop. From here, I'm gonna walk to the Seongeup Folk Village. So it's just a short distance walk from here. So here we are. You can see the piles of old stone. So this is the folk village. So it has no entrance fee, okay? So you can just go from here to the inside and explore the 600-year-old village, which they really preserve for quite a long time. So let's see. And look, oh, it's a persimmon tree. So this is my first time to see it here. Now, I feel like I'm in the K-drama. So I just dreamt this before and now I'm here. I'm so happy. Here in Seongeup Folk Village, you can spend 1 to 2 hours and explore the places, take photos, and enjoy the moment. So we're done here and I'm so happy to see and explore this folk village. Now we're heading back to the bus stop and we will go to our next destination. Our next stop is Seopjikoji. From this bus stop, we will take the bus heading to Songsan because other buses will take long time. If we can find a bus going to Seopjikoji entrance, then we will take it. If not, then I have to walk towards there. So it's around 1 to 2 kilometers walking through the coastal road. So we will see once we are there. Now we're at the Songsan bus stop. Okay, so I'll just walk towards the Seopjikoji hill. Okay, I can do this. So come with me. There are flowers everywhere and they're so beautiful. And now it's a little bit windy here, so it's cold actually. Okay, guys, so enjoy the surroundings with me. So let's go. Oh wow, look! It's a Philippines dessert cafe. Wow. I'm so surprised there is a Philippine store here. Anyway, okay, look around. Okay guys, I've been walking a lot, but still I need to walk 1.3 kilometers to Seopjikoji. Okay, I can do this. Finally, I'm at the entrance, so we'll just follow the trail to which these people are going. Okay, so this is a life hack when you're traveling alone. Okay, so yeah, this is the trail going up. So I think it's around 800 meters going to that lighthouse. That lighthouse is the famous filming location of the K-drama entitled Warm and Cozy. So we are going there. So we'll see. Okay. Oh no, so that is the lighthouse. Oh, and we're gonna climb this hill. Okay, guys, so if you're coming here, be sure to be physically fit because this hill is steep. Okay, but there are stairs, so not a problem. Okay, and enjoy. It's getting late for me, so I have to go to Songsan Ilchulbong and I don't have time to wait for the buses. So what I did, I just booked Uber. So I paid around 300 plus pesos using my card. At Songsan Ilchulbong, you have two options by the way. If you want to hike going to the crater, it will cost you around 5,000 Korean won. But if you just wanted to see a little bit of the trail, so there is a free option, and that is on this side, which I took, and it also leads you to the Hanyo diving spot. So they usually dive every 2 p.m. and there is a schedule in the morning as well. So this is the scenery. It's so beautiful and amazing. Upon going back, so I remember that there is a small temple here. Okay, so you just climb the stairs and then you will find out the small temple here. You don't need to pay in this temple, you can just go inside. Done for today and I finished my itinerary successfully. Okay, so now from the bus stop, I will go back to my hotel. So it will take me around 1 to 2 hours depending on the traffic. So I will pick up my luggage there. Good thing they allowed me to store my luggage for free. And also, I will be going to Jeju City where my next hotel is located. It is near the airport too. So I will tell you about it later on. I picked up my luggage and I'm hungry, so I checked a vegetarian restaurant nearby. Actually, vegetarian restaurants are a challenge here in Jeju because it's really hard to find. So I found an Indian restaurant here. So basically, if you wanted to have vegetarian options, I think Indian restaurants are the best. So this one I found. So they close at 10:30. The food is good here as well, and also the prices. So this is also near the airport. So when I finished my dinner here, I took a taxi to the next hotel because it's difficult to carry my luggage, although it's just close by, around 4 kilometers, I think. So yeah, I will tell you about my hotel in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.